In my journey of learning wood turning, I encountered several challenges over the past few days. This video highlights the issues I faced and showcases the projects that came to halt without completion. Up until now, all my YouTube videos have showcased finished products despite facing challenges. However, I never shared videos documenting my failures. But now I want to switch things up and share the behind the scenes moments of my failures. Join me in and watch the challenges I have faced on this learning journey. There is still much to explore and learn in the world of wood turning. If you have been keeping up with my journey, I started learning wood turning by attempting a bowl and it was a disaster. But I did not give up. I made a mallet and a rolling pin to build my confidence before giving the bowl another shot. When I started turning the bowl, I faced a problem. The lathe kept moving. I tried changing my workbench, but the issue repeated. Then I tried adjusting the lathe speed. It worked when I set it to the lowest RPM. I resumed turning the bowl, but I faced an issue with wood tear out. Upon stopping the lathe, I noticed that the wood has also broken. So I stopped turning this particular bowl. To continue my learning, I bought in a self-centering chuck and a Jacobs chuck to work on turning a couple of coffee mugs. I figured it might be a bit easier than turning a bowl, but it was not. After making the square to round transition, I mounted the wood on the chuck and added the Jacobs chuck to the tailstock. Instead of starting with a smaller drill bit, I used a big 1.5 inch Forstner bit. When I began drilling, the headstock stopped. I tried a few times but it did not work, so I switched to a 1/2 inch Forstner bit and it worked. To make the hole bigger, I tried a 5/8 inch Forstner bit and it did not work. I also used a different 1/2 inch bit but that did not work either. So I gave up on using Jacobs chuck. Then I tried using carbide tools to turn the mug, but I ran into some issues. The wood kept coming loose from the chuck a couple of times. When I checked, I found the chuck grip wasn't tight enough, so I tightened it and got back to turning. And the same thing happened again. For a final attempt, I used another workpiece for the coffee mug. I began by using a diamond carbide turning tool to create a groove and then switched to a square carbide tool for shaping the inside. Things were going okay, but when I paused to check the progress, I realized it wasn't taking the shape I desired. The ends were not proportionate. It was frustrating and I decided to stop working on this coffee mug project as well. When you try new things, it can get tough and you might feel frustrated. But if you stick with it and keep trying, you'll succeed. I believe in this not just in learning wood turning, but in life too. I will be sure to keep you posted on how things are going. Thanks for being there to hear about my challenges. Looking forward to share a successful wood turning project with you all next time.